This is a strategy I would use to get my £100 to £10,000. Hold on and I'll share. Please be aware that any investment, the best investment you can make is investing in yourself. So if you know you don't have £100 to consistently invest every month, then I would really advise to take that £100 and invest in a course or something that can increase my earning capability or my earning potential. So invest it in yourself if you haven't got £100 to invest on a monthly basis. This strategy is going to harness on compound interest. Compound interest to me is the seventh great wonder of the world. Compound interest is so key. So this strategy is going to be based upon compound interest. So also be aware that before you start any investment journey, you have to get rid of your high interest rate debts. So clear out all your debts first. There's no point starting your investment and you have debts. It's just going to eat into it. So clear off all your debts first, then we can start. So this strategy is looking at 3 risk profiles: high risk, medium risk, low risk. So low risk potentially is low risk, low reward or smaller reward. Medium risk, medium reward. Higher risk, higher reward. So we're going to be focusing on those 3 risk profiles. Where do you fit into these risk profiles? So as always, the first step is get rid of your debt. Second step is open a stocks and shares ISA. You can open one with Vanguard, you can open one with Fidelity, you can open one with Hargreaves and Lansdowne, and you can open one with Trading 212. Depends on where you are. You can open a brokerage account, a tax advantage brokerage account. So the first method to invest for low risk is index funds I talk about all the time, which it can be VUSA, S&P 500. So you can get that from any of those platforms I've spoken about. That is low risk, lower reward-ish, but it's kind of boring, but it's low cost and you just set it, leave it and let it do what it has to do. So then you would invest £100 every single month, and in 6 years you should get 10k here. So the second risk profile we're talking about is the medium risk. The medium risk is where we're investing to get income or passive income from dividends. What are dividends? Dividends is the money that these companies that we invest in pays out to their shareholders. The sector that pays the highest in dividends from my research are REITs, so they are real estate investment trusts. So these REITs have been mandated to pay out 90% of their taxable income to their shareholders. So that's why they pay a lot of dividends. So you can potentially sit down every month and be getting dividends from that. So this medium risk, medium returns. However, the value of the stock can actually go down, and that's why it's medium risk, medium return, but you're aware and you are sure of getting your dividends every single month, or it depends on the company. If they pay quarterly, then quarterly. And the final, most dangerous type, high risk, high reward. Dangerous in my opinion, because I've seen people lose it all with this, but this is FX trading. This is options trading, where you can even turn $100 or £100 to £10,000 in literally days if you know what you're doing. But this is high risk, high reward. If you don't know how to read candlesticks, if you don't know how to read charts, I wouldn't advise you to do that, please. But if you are disciplined enough and patient, we know that 90% of people that trade lose their money. But if you're in that 10% and you are disciplined enough and patient to learn the tricks of the trade, then you can make your money very quickly. So as always, make your choice. Are you going for low, medium or high risk? And the thing about investing is just start. Once you start, then it becomes more exciting for you because you understand the market. You start looking at companies. I'm like, okay, you enter Apple store and you be like, I have stocks in Apple. You should not play with me, kind of thing. But yeah, just start. And if you have any questions, let me know. I'm always in the comment section or try to answer as many questions as I can. I'm happy to help, and welcome to the world of investing. I'm so happy you're here. I love you all so much. Bye.